saw this dog in the parking lot, I would have thought, but watch what he does when the owner walks into Chick-fil-A.
Yes. Free. Yeah. Good. Can I get a 12 count of chicken nuggets? Can I also get one ice cream cone?
It'll be $14.74.
Cool. Thank you. Have a good one. Come on in.
Oh, you got a very well trained dog.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Ooh. What did we get? Alrighty, good kennel. What did we get? You want some ice cream? Be gentle. Good girl. Okay, good girl. You want a french fry? Oh, my first. Want a french fry? Yeah? There you go. Good girl. Ooh. Ooh, come here. Spin. Spin. Orbit. Good. Is it pretty?